Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another unboxing of the YarnYay by Vicky Howell box. This is the January 2023 subscription box. And as usual, it is beautifully wrapped in this lovely white and silver paper. And here is our pattern. Icy Blue New You Neck and Shoulder Warmers, 2023, box 57. And there is the knit pattern of the project. And here is the crochet pattern. And the crochet pattern's a little bit smaller since crochet does take up more yarn than knitting does. And inside there were two different blues, and I'm excited that I got this darker of the two. The other one was like a light blue, icy blue, but I look better in cooler colors, so I'm excited about this. And it is a superwash wool bamboo mix, and it's 260 meters or 284 yards, and it's 100 grams, and it's nice and soft, beautiful. And then this is Flying Wish paper, and what you do is you write on the papers, you light it on fire, and it actually disintegrates and flies up into the air. It says a whimsical kit to make wishes come true. So this is something that I will have to give a try too. Very pretty cover. And this is a bag, and it's that new style where one end is longer than the other, so you put it through and you hold it on your wrist so you can carry your project with you. Lovely. So another wonderful box by Vicky Howell, and again, I will put all of her information below in the description box. And I hope that you liked this unboxing. Please make sure to give a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.